Oh, breaking the law is actually very right well to the top 5 greatest crimes. Sorry, dumbest criminals of all time. Number 5. This guy dressed up as a cow to steal milk and he got arrested. Did. Oh, this guy decided to steal a gun with a gun, like, give me a gun or a steal with a gun. Number 3. This guy still got a bat to steal a gun and he got arrested. Number 2. This guy, he got arrested for this guy tries to guy feeling right well he tries to steal a car, but it's like some special car. I don't know how to drive it. He stole a car and he got arrested for 20 years. On like 20 seconds of freedom. And the number 1 spot is this guy literally the guy is hungry, right? So he decided to went into a convenience. He drove to the convenience store. He literally go through the convenience store and steal a banana. Yeah. Get off my This guy's says crazy one banana and no of effort to hide his face. That made me laugh. If you like it, share it, and subscribe. See ya, bye.